Greetings, solving inequalities. Inequality sign is like a magic gate that changes everything entering or exiting it. Just like the equal sign, as you remember. You remember our magic gate? They are just as the equal sign. If we have a positive number, it will go to the other side, it will be a negative number. As 1 was positive 1, it goes to the other side, it became negative 1. Now it's just other inequality sign. Now we have multiply 2. When it goes to the other side to pass the inequality sign, it will be divide 2. Yes, just as the equal. Here we have other inequality sign, smaller than or equal. We have 2 power 3. When we send it to the other side, it will be 2 power negative 3. Okay, 2 over 7. When we send it to the other side, it will be 7 over 2. In other ways, it was 2 over 7. When we send it to the other side, 2 multiply, it will be divide 2, and 7 was divided, turned to a time, so it's 7 over 2 now, not 2 over 7. Easy, just flip the numbers, make the denominator the denominator and the denominator the denominator. That's it. Okay, exercise 1. Solve 2x bigger than or equal 6. Okay, let's write the equation again. Send it to the other side, be divide, so x bigger than or equal 3. Okay, x bigger than or equal 3 here in the timeline. Okay, we have 2 multiplies x plus 6 smaller than 20. Okay, we'll break the brackets. We can send the 2 to the other side by dividing, but it will be so easy. Let's try this other way. So we have 2x plus 12 equal 20 smaller than 20. Send the 12 to the other side by negative. So we have 2x smaller than 8. Send the 2 to be divided. So x smaller than 4. So we start at the 4. We don't have the 4, it's excluded, and to the negative infinity. Okay, you have x over 3 smaller than or equal 1. You will send the 3 to the other side by multiply, and we have x smaller than or equal 3. Start at 3 and go to the negative infinity. Now Ted needs at least an average of at least 70 in his 3 history tests. He already scored 85 and 60 in 2 tests. What is the minimum grade Ted needs in his third test? Okay, for the students who don't understand the average, it's the mean. What is the mean? The sum of all values over the number of the values. Let's say we have 4 values, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We take their sum, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, over their number, 4. Okay? Easy? Okay, let's break this question down. He needs at least 70, so the grade must be bigger than or equal 70. So we have one score, we need to know it. Okay, average at least 70. This is the 2 scores, will be added to another score, unknown score, over 3 to take their average. Okay, let's see it in details in the next slide. Okay, you have 70 smaller than or equal the 3 numbers 85 plus 60 plus x, the new test score. That their average must be greater than or equal 70. Okay, take the average, their number 3, the sum, over their number. There are 3 numbers, so I must be divided by 3. Okay, first step, send the 3 to the other side by time. So we have 70 multiply 3 smaller than 85 plus 60 plus x. Okay, we have 21, so x smaller than or equal 21. We'll send this number to the other side. So 210 minus 85 minus 60. So x will be bigger than or equal 65. That's represented in the number line. We have 65. From 65 to the positive infinity. Okay. A car can travel 20 miles on a gallon of gas. Write and solve an inequality to show at least how many gallons of gas are needed to travel 100 miles. Okay, we have 20 miles on a gallon of gas. I need to know how many gallons are needed for 100 miles. Okay, we have 20 per 1 gallon, bigger than or equal 100. Okay, send the 20 to the other side by divide. Okay, we have x bigger than or equal 5. So we need at least 5 gallons of gas, 5 or more, to travel 100 miles. Let's represent it in the number line. We have x bigger than or equal 50, so we have 50 included to the infinity. Okay, a shelf has a room to hold no more than 9 books. Okay, this is the maximum number of books here. Tyrus wants to pull poetry book and science, no, not put poetry book and science book on the shelf. So if we have 6 science books, how many poetry books can we placed on the shelf? Okay, let's see. We have no more than 9 books. I have 6 science books. Okay, they are known in the poetry book. Okay, it's x plus 6 must be smaller than or equal 9. We can't pass the 9. Okay, we'll send the 6 to the other side. It will be 9 minus 6. So we'll have x smaller than or equal 3. So we only can place 3 or less poetry books. Let's represent it in a number line. We have 3 to the negative infinity. As x is less than or equal 3, so 3 is included with us. Thanks for listening and good luck everyone. Goodbye.